Namaste students, welcome you all in your English class. Today we will start with the chapter 4 and the chapter 4 is about the ant and the elephant. Let's see what happens. There was a wrestling competition in the forest. It was always held in spring. Spring is a season. The big elephant was an excellent wrestler. Excellent wrestler, we can say the champion or the one who is very smart at wrestling. He first played with the zebra. He soon defeated the zebra. First, the competition was between the zebra and elephant. So, elephant won the competition, or we can say the elephant defeated the zebra. The zebra lost the competition. So, first, the winner was the elephant. When the competition was between the zebra and the elephant won the wrestling competition. Then let's see next. Then he played with the giraffe. Though the giraffe was taller than zebra, the elephant also defeated the giraffe. Second time also the competition was between the giraffe and the elephant. Here also the elephant won the wrestling competition. Now the elephant felt very proud. Why the elephant felt very proud? Because he has defeated the two persons, that is the zebra and the giraffe. He began to boast, "Nobody can defeat me. I must be the wrestling champion today." He began to boast means he became himself proud or had very attitude over his wrestling skills, and he was saying that today I must be only the champion of the wrestling. He was waiting for another wrestler. The elephant, he was waiting for the another wrestler to have the competition. Then, but this time it was a small ant. The elephant had the races or the wrestling with the two big animals. Third time the wrestling was with the ant, and ant is a very small one. When he saw the ant, he started laughing. Why the elephant started laughing? Because he was saying that I had the competition with the very big animals, then also I won. Then what this ant will have the wrestling with me? Surely I will win. He was having this attitude. When he saw the ant, he started laughing. Ha, little ant, you come to wrestle with me? The elephant said. The ant replied, I will just have a try. The ant, she was very calm and she said very softly that I will only try. Then elephant said, have a try. How you will try? I think it is better for you to admit defeat, the elephant said. The elephant told to the ant that without having the wrestling, you declared that you have defeated or you have lost the competition. But the ant blinked and didn't answer. The elephant said proudly, little ant, let's do like this. I will just stand here and you attack me. I will let you kick, push, and pull. You must honor your words. Then the aunt said, okay, if you are saying, just you be at your words, don't change your words afterwards. Then the elephant said, of course, I always honor my words, the elephant replied. A monkey came up as a referee, or we can say as a captain, to make the fair decision. The ant then said to the referee, please blow the whistle. The referee blew the whistle. The elephant stood there. The ant climbed up his legs and then his neck. The elephant told that I will be standing and you attack over me. Then the ant told to the elephant that you be on your words, don't change your words. The elephant said, yes, I will not change my words. Then over there comes a monkey as a referee. In wrestling competition we have the referee, whereas in the cricket match we have a captain to make the decisions. So the ant asks the monkey or the referee to blow the whistle so that they can have the competition. Now the referee blowed the whistle. The ant climbed up his legs and his neck. Then what happened? At last, it went into his ear. The ant was very small. First, it was there on the legs, then on the neck. Then the ant went inside the elephant's ear. The ant bit him and danced in it. The elephant couldn't bear it any more. He fell on the ground and begged the ant, "Oh, aunt, it hurts very much. I can't bear it. Please come out. Please, I am defeated." Thus, the ant became the wrestling champion. This is how a very tiny insect, we can say, won the battle and defeated the very big animal, that is the elephant. So, we should never have proud on our skills, and we should never discriminate between the small or the big animals or the humans. All have the skills, all are equally important. So, this was the moral of your story. I hope you liked the story. Thank you.